everybody, let's do some art. Welcome back to my channel. This is Micki from Micki's Arts and Crafts, and today I'm going to do 3 kinds of art projects and collage in my in this journal. A long time ago, I nicknamed this my whatever journal, because it was I was just going to do whatever I wanted to do in this journal, and whatever kind of art form I wanted to express myself in, I wanted to do in this journal. That's what it's going to be. So that's what's happening today. I'm in my creative, because I'm tired of sometimes having separate books for separate things. And I'm getting ready to say, in my creative daily journals, I used to always make my little faces and stuff, draw my little faces and things of that nature. And I wanted to get better at it, so I'm going to keep trying to incorporate it in my books again. And so here we are. It's one of my ladies that that I'm tipping into this book. Yeah, this book, it went through a lot of iterations, and I will link it above so you can follow. There's a playlist of this book that goes back many years, and then I stopped using it because at first I didn't like it, and I think I told the story before. I didn't like it, but a lot of times you got to step away from your projects to get a better perspective, and over the years I really did like it. It started off firstly as an art journal, and then it turned into other things. But I'm glad as a community we're starting to hybrid our journals and do whatever we feel free to do whatever we want in our journals, because we don't want to be closed and boxed in, because it inhibits our creativity. So I'm glad we're making more hybrid journals. This is a I'm using a tissue box. That is a pretty tissue box, y'all. You have the sniffles and the colds and the hay fever and this kind of. I know I was working. I had you may have detected some of my videos. I was a little stuffed up. So keep these boxes. Intentionally buy boxes that are pretty. Intentionally tell your family, pick out the boxes that have some good background, because I may need it one day. I may not have any paper, or you just want to add interest to your book. And so I always pick out some fun tissue boxes, because when they're done, hey, you bought it, you might as well use it, right? Right. Oh. And I'm sorry, guys. I'm not in frame. I'm not in frame. So you can't see the whole entirety of the book. It's a big book. I'm taking some product package I love to use, and I have a whole stack. I have stacks of um, tags, but I enjoy when I just enjoy using product packaging tags. One day I'm just going to make a whole bunch of tags with the tags that I've bought over the years and then store it away. But I just love using, especially in these junk journal, art journals, blue book kind of deals, these hybrid kind of deals. I really enjoy using product packaging. I'm sorry, y'all can't see. I put some trim on the bottom of that makeshift pocket, and y'all won't. I think I cut it out because you couldn't see it. It's because the book is pushed down. Sorry, guys. Maybe in another video it'll show. Well, I pushed it up a little bit, but see, there I go. And I had to fight with it to get it up there, but and because I was using A-Lean. Did I use A-Lean? I don't know, or did I just skip past? I may have skipped past it because I put the little birdie on the tag. And I was trying to decorate this trashy pocket, because y'all know that's not the right way to put a pocket up there. I know the right way. I'm just going here. We're going to collage glue book a little bit, and it's funny. I put this scrap piece of paper on the right side with that side, and then when I started to glue it down, I like the other side better. And I think it's glue. I put glue on it, and then I took it right up and just let the glue dry. So that's a little tip. The glue will dry. See, I flipped it over and put it on the other side because I like the other side better. I'm glad I started putting the my glue sticks inside of the acrylic Dollar Tree drawer, because now I don't have to worry about losing my glue stick anymore. Now I do lose it when it's on this big whole messy desk, but at the end when I'm done, I don't lose it. I know where they are, because I'll lose the top and the glue stick in a minute while I'm gluing. I don't know how that works. And my scissors. Yeah, don't be afraid to change your mind. I've ripped stuff up and put it somewhere else on my page many times. So because you glue it down don't mean you can't get it back up there. Usually a time where you can pull a tape or the glue back up. Y'all never guess what I'm doing while I'm talking. I'm gluing down a fingernail, and the glue just fell to the floor. And got all over my shoes, my slipper. Good thing I didn't have. It's too cold to have flip flops on right now. I'm glad, or I would have had just sticky glue all over it. Yeah, sometimes it's good it's not alive, and you would have saw all that. Oh, I don't usually, well, oh, now I'm gone up to the, I didn't finish. Did I finish? I'll show you the end, how all the projects came out. See, I oftentimes would do my little art on, I have a million of these cards. What are they called? Project Life cards. I got it Tuesday morning. Let's have a moment of silence for Tuesday morning store. People who used to go to that store know. Let's have a moment of silence. Anyway, I had bought a whole bunch of cards from there. I think 3 or 4 boxes. They were marked $5 for a huge box. I think I did a haul and showed it. So, oh, and that's part of y'all keep your gift bags. That's the end of a gift bag I just put on the end of there. And I hit the camera. Sorry about that. And art lettering, kind of. Yeah, so at night sometimes I just sit there at the end of the day and well I'll just play in these cards here and there. I'll just either draw my faces or doodle or something just to keep doing some art. It's fun to just have a little project to work on. And I had let it go and just kept it only for creative journaling, and I shouldn't. I'm glad I'm bringing it on into these art journal glue books. Never done a watercolor. I tried. Oh, okay, yeah. Now I'm finishing up the the tag, and then I was like, oh no, this is too pretty to go in that pocket. I'll figure out put something else in that pocket. I'm just gonna clip it to this to the end of the paper. Hey, I'm friends. I'm showing you the three projects we worked on today. And I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead and put even though we didn't break out the paint, they don't have markers because I use a lot of markers and stuff like that. We'll just go ahead and put the scissor emoji or the glue book emoji, the art journal emoji, and you can always wave at me. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I enjoyed having you. And if you came across and you're not subscribed and you'd like to see more content, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. Thank you so very much once again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.